Good morning. Where would you like to go?
Good morning. I need to get to the Grand Hotel downtown.
Sure, buckle up, and we'll be on our way.
Thank you. How long will it take to get there?
It should take about 20 minutes, depending on the traffic.
That's great. I have a meeting at 10 a.m., so I hope we won't be late.
Don't worry, I'll take the fastest route.
I appreciate that. Do you accept card payments?
Yes, we accept both cash and card.
Perfect. By the way, is this your usual route?
Yes, I drive around this area every day. I know all the shortcuts.
That's impressive. How long have you been a taxi driver?
For about 10 years now, I enjoy meeting new people every day.
That must be interesting. Do you have any memorable passengers?
Oh, plenty. Some people share amazing stories during the ride.
I bet. Do you ever drive tourists around?
All the time. They often ask for recommendations on places to visit.
Speaking of which, do you have any good restaurant recommendations?
If you like seafood, the Blue Oyster is fantastic.
That sounds great. I might try it after my meeting.
Good choice. The food is fresh and the service is excellent.
Thanks for the suggestion. How's the traffic looking ahead?
It seems smooth so far. We should arrive on time.
That's a relief. I really appreciate your help.
No problem. Would you like some music?
Sure, something relaxing would be nice.
All right, let me put on some soft jazz.
That's perfect. This ride is quite comfortable.
I'm glad you think so. Comfort is important for long rides.
Do you ever work night shifts?
Occasionally. But I prefer daytime driving.
I can imagine. Night driving must be challenging.
Yes, and you get all kinds of passengers late at night.
I bet. Do you have any funny stories?
Oh, once, a passenger fell asleep and forgot where he was going.
That's hilarious. What did you do?
I had to wake him up, and he was so confused.
That's really funny. Has anyone ever left something behind in your taxi?
Yes, many times. Phones, bags, even a shoe once.
A shoe? That's strange.
I know, right? I always try to return lost items to their owners.
That's really kind of you.
It's part of the job. I like to help people.
That's a great attitude. Oh, is that the hotel ahead?
Yes, we're almost there. Just a couple more minutes.
Great. How much do I owe you?
The fare is $15. You can pay with cash or card.
I'll pay by card. Here you go.
Thank you. Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please. I need it for my work expenses.
Here you go. Have a great day.
Thanks. You too, and drive safely.
Will do. Take care.
Where does the customer want to go? She wants to go to the Grand Hotel downtown. How long does the driver estimate the ride will take? About 20 minutes, depending on traffic. What time is the customer's meeting? It's at 10 a.m. Does the taxi accept card payments? Yes, the driver accepts both cash and card. How long has the driver been working as a taxi driver? For about 10 years. What kind of music does the customer request? Something relaxing, so the driver plays soft jazz. Why does the driver prefer daytime driving? Because night driving is more challenging, and he gets all kinds of passengers. What funny incident does the driver share? A passenger once fell asleep and forgot where he was going. What strange item did a passenger leave behind? A shoe. How much is the taxi fare? $15. Why does the customer appreciate the driver's route choice? Because she has a meeting at 10 a.m. and doesn't want to be late. What does the driver say about his experience? He enjoys meeting new people every day. Does the driver give recommendations to tourists? Yes, he often suggests places to visit. Which restaurant does the driver recommend? The Blue Oyster, a seafood restaurant. Why does the customer ask for a receipt? She needs it for her work expenses. How does the customer describe the ride? Comfortable. How does the driver respond when the customer thanks him? He says, "No problem. Would you like some music?" What does the customer say before getting out of the taxi? Thanks. You too, and drive safely. What does the driver say when the ride ends? Will do. Take care. Why does the driver try to return lost items? Because he likes to help people.